This is the story of exceptional leadership of dedicated Lions who not only devoted themselves but also inspired hundreds of others to follow their footsteps. This is the story of their relentless endeavor to take Lionism to new peaks on the wings of their leadership. Lions Club of Baroda South proudly presents the success story of the leadership of their Lion members who set a benchmark in the district 3232 F1 by their exemplary leadership. The history of Lions Club of Baroda South dates back to year 1988 when a small group of entrepreneurs from Vadodara met at a holy place known as Kabirwad. Kabirwad is a place known for a banyan tree which dates back to 15th century and now prospered into a large grove covering an area of 3 kilometers, a striking similarity to the Lions International, which has grown far and wide over last 100 years. Lions Club of Baroda South is located in the city of Vadodara, which is now on the world map for the Statue of Unity, the tallest statue in the world, reaching to a height of 162 meters. This is the statue of iconic leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and is the source of leadership inspiration for Baroda South. In the 32 years of this memorable journey, the leaders who have evolved from this club have significantly contributed to growth, development and enhancement of Lionism at district and multiple levels. And the club has proved to be the cradle of leadership from where a galaxy of leaders has constantly illuminated the horizon of district 3232 F1. To name a few, we start with our charter member, Lion Ramneek Lal Solanki, a familiar name and the pioneer of the journey to leadership, who headed the district in 2002 to 3 and also mentored many more leaders of his time to become district governors. Following the footsteps of PDG Lion Ramneek Lal Solanki, Lion Sanjeev Pancholi became district governor in 2005 to 6. The next leader and the brand ambassador of Baroda South is the dynamic and charismatic leader Lion Parimal Patel, who was elected to the office of District Governor of District 3232 F1 in 2017 to 18 and went on to become multiple council chairperson of multiple District 3232 in 2018 to 19. The leader on the emerging front is Lion Vijay Singh Umat, who has held several important portfolios in past cabinets and is the current Cabinet Secretary, Communications, which has vast experience and vision. He is the most suitable leader poised for higher responsibilities. Not far behind is Lion Hemlata Umat, current district GLT coordinator and an experienced leader, now giving leadership lessons to other Lions of the club and district. Apart from these, the Lions of Baroda South have efficiently undertaken various responsibilities such as Cabinet Secretary, Cabinet Treasurer, District GMT, GLT Coordinator, Region and Zone Chairperson on multiple occasions. The impact of such a large array of leaders has been quite visible and significant on our district. Talking of recent times, in the year 2017 to 18, that is, during the tenure of Lion Parimal Patel as District Governor, District 3232 F1, the net membership growth touched a high of more than 760 members. 16 new clubs became a part of District 3232 F1 and a new Leo district was added in year 2018 to 19. Lion Parimal Patel, now heading multiple District 3232 as a council chairperson, once again reinforced his ability as a capable leader. During this period, the multiple District 3232 became a major entity at international level, ranking first in membership growth, first in implementation of Lion Quest program, and third in service activity at international level, was a feat not achieved until now. The increased growth of membership resulted in enhanced service activities and in growth of Lionism and propelled multiple District 3232 to a respectful recognition at the international platform. During the governorship of Lion Parimal Patel in 2017 to 18, the cabinet installation ceremony was conducted by International President Lion Naresh Agrawal. Past International President Lion Rohit Mehta also graced the function. Also in the same year, Lion's International Vice President, along with international dignitaries, visited India and District 3232 F1 and felicitated District Lion leaders for outstanding leadership. In year 2018 to 19, a GAT conclave of MT 3231, 3232 and 3234 was successfully organized under the leadership of then multiple council chairman Lion Parimal Patel. The leadership initiatives undertaken by Baroda South focus on the use of modern techniques of leadership trainings, seminar, web meetings and leadership guidance, and reaching out to all other clubs in the district to support and facilitate in carrying out their normal activities. What role does a club play in developing its leaders? What is the secret of our success? We at Baroda South understand each member's needs, recognize strengths and assets, and repose complete trust in his abilities because we treat every member as a part of family. By giving ample opportunity to all lines to develop their leadership qualities, as each year the club has policy of not repeating any president again, by providing for training and guidance to develop their leadership. Most importantly, leading by example, always being at forefront of the activities. An example of how to motivate line members to become leaders is aptly explained here with a short story of animals in our jungle. Let's start. In the jungle, which animal is the biggest? I heard you say elephant. In the jungle, which animal is the tallest? I heard you say giraffe. In the jungle, which animal is the cleverest? I heard you say fox. In the jungle, which animal is the fastest? I heard you say cheetah. Amongst all these qualities, where is the lion in the picture? Yet you say lion is the king of the jungle without any of these qualities. Why? Because the lion is courageous, always ready to face any challenges no matter how big they are. Because the lion walks with confidence. The lion dares anything and is never afraid. The lion believes he is unstoppable. The lion believes any opportunity is worth giving a try. So, all you need is the faith to believe it is possible. All you need is to believe you can do it. This is exactly what we do at Baroda South. We develop leaders.